This week, we're going to be learning about HTML5 forms. And forms are used all over the internet. I'm sure you guys have used them quite often. And so in the textbook, you are going to read through pages 51 through 76, and then you'll go through the lecture demo. And I do have a little video at the top here that kind of explains how forms work and what the different elements are, in addition to some of these interactive examples that you guys can kind of play with. And then we get into how to put together a form. And whenever possible, I do have links to interactive exercises, and quite a few of the things that you see in here are also interactive. So you'll read through this, and then you'll come out and go through the textbook assignment. And for the textbook assignment, there is a customer form that you're going to create. So you're going to want to download the HTML portion. And this is kind of everything except the form part that you have to enter. So this is what this looks like, and you're going to be creating a form below that. Then you have to download the graphic into the Lesson 8 media folder. And then you're going to open that customer form for editing. And this is the code that deals with forms. So it is a lot of typing this first time through, but your lab assignment is very similar. So you should be able to copy and paste a lot of this code and reuse it over in your lab assignment. So once you get done entering all of that code, this is what it's going to look like, or what it should look like. If yours does not look like this example, then some of the code was not entered correctly. Okay, and you need to kind of review the code. After you have this one complete and it is working, and I should mention, when you submit this, you are submitting to a script. Okay, and this is the URL for that script. And what the script does is it pulls the data from the form and it displays it back. So you are going to be submitting to a script just like normal forms. Once you're done with that, you are going to save it under a different name, and you're going to create something called a mail to form. And this is one that would go through the email. Okay, so the only thing that really has to change in the form, the mail to form, is the form attributes. Okay, so your action is going to be different, and then you're going to add NC type in there. So that is the assignment, creating the form and then saving it under a different name and doing the mail to form. For the lab assignment, you are going to create your own form. So these are the different elements that you need to have in that form. And again, you do need to submit to the form processor. And I do have an example of a form. I was going to say a different form than the running club. And so a lot of the code that you put in the running club, you can reuse here. Once you're done with your form, you are going to add the links for the customer form, the mail to form, and the form you created to your assignment page. And then you'll go into the drop boxes and enter done. And because it is fun to see what other people create, you are going to showcase your form. So you're going to come into the discussion, you're going to add a new topic, and you're going to display your form. Click up on the URL, Control and C for copy. And then you can paste a link right in here, Control and V as in Victor. Okay, and so you're giving people a link to your form, and then you need to answer these questions. And then you'll post, and you'll read what other people have posted, and reply to at least one of the posts indicating what you liked about their form. So that is the form assignment. If you run into problems or if you have questions, please let me know.